Kamehameha.
Hey, how is it going? Today I'm gonna try to replicate some Dragon Ball Z powers in virtual reality. This is gonna be a fun little weekend project, nothing too crazy. Alright, let's hop right into VR. I'm gonna save you the pain of watching me set up and configure everything. So let's start here on a plain scene with the VR controllers ready to go. If I remember correctly, the Kamehameha is probably the most iconic move in Dragon Ball Z. The first step was to get an energy ball to spawn between my hands. For this to happen, I made it activate when the player places their palms close together and then slowly pull towards the waist area as if they were charging up. It's a two-step process that has to be done in order. I then added some conditions to help avoid accidentally triggering it, such as if the player's hands are not in the right pose, if the palms are not facing each other, if they try to do it too fast or their hands drifted too far apart, for example, it wouldn't activate. When you get it right though, it all feels very natural, which is exactly what I was aiming for. No buttons needed, no skill selection UI, just correct timing and I guess a few body poses. I started getting bored looking at a blank scene, so I went to the Unity Asset Store and downloaded an environment to make things look a little more fun. I found this coastal European town or something, which is perfect because we all know that Goku is British. Okay, here we are in the new environment, and I got the energy ball implemented to replace the banana that I had, and I gotta say it looks a lot more like DBZ now. Next, we're gonna add the stream of energy that comes out of the blast itself.
A few moments later.
I added the blast and set the activation to when the player pushes their hands forward really fast while holding the energy. Here's what it looks like right now. I went with something transparent because unlike the TV show, we actually need to see what we're aiming at. The stream of energy is also pretty useless right now. I think it needs some physics to make it feel more real, so it's time to do some science! No! Alright, here we go. Pretty much a working Kamehameha. I added in some
sexy ass cubes
to help me demonstrate.
Kamehameha.
2,000 years later.
Okay, this is definitely the first take. Alright, next we're gonna add the Super Saiyan charge. So for this, I wanted to trigger it by having both fists on these sides, but once again I added some trigger conditions. I made it where you have to bring your fists together in front of you first and then pull back really fast. And like before, we are also checking for inconsistencies in the pose to make sure that the player is actually trying to power up and not just trigger it by accident. To make the power-up not just be a visual feature, I also made the energy blast much stronger while you're in Super Saiyan mode. It's also way bigger with more particles added to both the energy ball and stream. So if you've noticed the props in the background are just chilling, that's because I'm too lazy to add rigid bodies to them right now, so physics won't really have an effect on them. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching me attempt this. It was super fun to make, but before I go, we gotta shoot some real bad guys. Since Dragon Ball Z is an anime, I think it's only right that we destroy some cute
Schoolgirl.
お前はもう死んでいる。
Nope.